Oh, what version you install? You install the community version. Then you go and uncheck all the things.
Whether the Wi-Fi.
It shouldn't be blank. If you install properly, you should have the things there. Okay, must find this one, empty project. You don't have connection, then you cannot install. Let's start from scratch. We are using this one. Start from scratch with C++ for Windows. Okay, choose this one. Empty project, or you can search empty here. So make sure at home, if you install your C++, you have this template. Empty project C++. You see, got Windows, got console here. Okay, for Visual Studio 2019 and the latest one, okay, onwards, they actually combine the window and the console together in the same template. Empty project for C++. Okay, last time is split, the old version is split. That's why later, okay, you do assignment, make sure your teammate and you using the same versions of Visual Studio. Okay, else his code. When you do integration, you cannot run his project. You have to copy the source code one by one. Okay, to solve the version incompatible problems, use same version with your friend. Your teammate. Okay, click next. Okay, just name practical one. Okay, or use demo. Okay, P1 demo. Okay, any name, meaningful name will do. Okay, P1 demo. We are not doing object oriented, so the file name, okay, just use meaningful enough. Okay, locations of your project, okay, you always put in the desktop. Okay, easier to find later and easier to copy and upload to your Google Drive. Okay, I put in the desktop. So I know where's my project folder, but you can always find your project folder. So by default, I will put in my document and then Visual Studio project. So put in desktop, easier to access. Okay, so this is your solution explorer. Okay, you need to create a C++ project. You see got ++ icon in front. Okay, the name of the project is called P1 demo. Okay, so these are the default directories or folders which are empty, nothing here. Okay, because we start from scratch. Okay, blank. Okay. So there are 4 directories here. Okay, the external dependency, this one is for you to include any plugin or libraries that you're going to add in, okay, in future. So we are not using this, we are not using any plugin. Okay, the header files and source file, this one is for if you have class, using class, then you have your .hash file here for the declarations of the class. Okay, and then source file will be your CPP file. Okay, if any other file that is not header file or source file, .hash or .cpp, you just put in your resource file. Okay, like your text file, your images, okay, image file, the rest of the file you put in resource file. Okay, we will start by creating a new source file. Okay, you right click your source file folder, right click add, okay, new item. So we will going to create a C++ source file. Okay, C++ file. So C++ source file with the extension of .cpp. Okay, .cpp means C++ source file. So the default name given here is source. So you may change the name to P1 demo. Source file, okay, C++. So we are not doing class or .hash file, the rest. Okay, we are using source file. Okay, create a source file, so you have your workspace here. Okay, the source file created here under your source file folder. Okay, ++ icon. So this is C++ source file with the .cpp extension. What is this? This thing. So you have your workspace here to type your code. So the code, your miss got give you a sample code. sample window code for you to start with is in your practical one folder. Practical one folder. Okay, you have this main dot CPP. Okay, you can open. Or you can check the phone also. Okay, copy over the code. Okay, Control A, select all, Control C, copy all the code to your P1 demo here. Then you can close this. Cannot run, you don't run yet. Can you do setting how to run? Okay, no worry, you see this okay, this sample code it looks so long but doesn't matter. Okay, it's actually only four functions here. Okay, four functions here and the display function. Okay, this is your display function. Okay, display function just comment. Okay, your display function is empty. Okay, there is only four functions here in this sample code. So what is this sample code do? Okay, so the example code. Okay, so the example code that given to you just now in this exercise is the initial structures, okay, of the OpenGL program that under the Windows API. Windows API. So it's all the window code. So all this in your example code here, this one will not come out in your exam or test. Okay, but we need this to do your OpenGL program and your assignments and your practical. So we start by include all these two include statement. Okay, you have background on C++. So include the header file. So there are two header files here. So this is the header file so that you can use the window class. And then this one is your OpenGL library. Okay, so OpenGL when you install your Visual Studio, okay, you didn't uncheck the Windows SDK. Then the OpenGL is inside. Okay, so that's why you doesn't need to set up the directory path in the Windows environment. So what you do, okay, you can just use this include, okay, to include the OpenGL header files. So you have to put the GL/ in front, okay, because it's inside the GL directory, okay, or namespace. So this is to include the OpenGL header file. Okay, gl.h. Okay, that's the OpenGL. So after you include, then you need to link. Okay, do not simply go and download any projects online and then you try and run like just now you ask me can run. Then you run, you cannot run one. Okay, you didn't link, then how you going to run? Okay, must know what library that are using. So next thing is to link with our OpenGL 32 library additional dependency. You have to set up your additional dependency. Okay, so there are two ways to link with this OpenGL 32 static library. So one way you can put in the code through this pragma command. Okay, let's specify the library here, which is OpenGL 32.ib. Okay, this is line number 4. This one. Okay, this one is to link with OpenGL 32 static library. So you can either link in the code. So two ways. Okay, alternatively, you may also link inside your project property windows. Project property window. Okay, configuration property, linker, input. So we need a linker to link your project with this OpenGL 32 library. Okay, so you can do this way. So how to bring up your project property page? Okay, you can right click your project in the Solution Explorer. ready your project, you can right click, get the last option, okay, properties, okay, or you may go to your menu bar on top, okay, project, okay, properties, okay, so this will bring up your project property page, okay, this is called project properties page, it won't bring up now. So you go to configuration, linker, go and find linker, this linker, okay, input. Okay, configuration properties, linker, input. Okay, if you are lost, this one, you come and check your practical here. Project property, configuration property, linker, input. Okay, see this additional dependency. So when you create your project, there are some additional dependency already added for you, but there is no OpenGL32 here, so we have to add. So you click this drop down arrow, okay, edit. So you put your, you can copy from here, or you type in OpenGL32 LIB. Start here. Okay, OpenGL32.lib. Okay, this one. Okay, now you click OK, okay, apply. Okay, this one is to link with the OpenGL32 static library. Okay? Yeah, okay. Okay, right. And you see your OpenGL32 is here already. See? Okay, so if you are using, okay, don't close this page. Okay, if you are using 2019, okay, then you can have the code already. Okay, but if you are using this one, latest one, 2022 and 2023, then you have to do 2 more settings. Okay, the 2 more settings you need to put in a separate file here. Okay, in your Pactoa folder, you see this Visual Studio VS2019 onward setting. So 2 more settings you have to do in the project property page in order to run the sample code. So same thing is in your project property page here. Okay, but you have to go to configuration property, linker. So same thing in the linker, but this one you go to system and subsystem. Okay, go here. Okay, here still in your linker here. So we go and find system. This one. System. Okay, you see by default when you create the empty project, the template, okay, it choose console. Okay, console application. So we are not doing console. Console is for your last time, your OOP, your console application. So we are doing window application. So change the console here, change to window. Okay, change this to window. Okay, because the later version is combined when you create empty project. Console and window combined together, and by default it's set to console. So you have to change here to become window. Okay, change this to window. Okay, linker, system, subsystem. Here, okay, this is the first setting. Done. Done, guys. Okay, now you go to do the second setting. Okay, same thing in the project property page. Okay, but now you go to the configuration property advanced tab. Okay, go to the advanced tab. Okay, where's the advanced tab? Here. Okay, the one on top. Here. This one. Configuration property advanced. Okay, go to advanced tab. Look for the character set. Okay, so by default, it's set up to use a Unicode character set. the sample code, the window main function says that your means give you. Okay, it's not taking the Unicode character set, it's taking the multiplied. So you change it to multiplied character set. Okay, change this. Okay, then you can click apply, okay, then you can run the code. Okay, do this more setting. I change to system, subsystem to window, and then change the one character set to multiply character set. Okay? Okay, apply. Rồi, apply. Done. Fine. Done change. Okay, apply. Okay, apply. Okay. Then you can run the code. Run here. Play. You see this one. Then you can run the code. The code is just ready blank window because the display function is empty. Who cannot run? Lila, what you do? Make the correct project or not? Only two settings. Your friend maybe same one
吃半个小时，一个小时，半个小时。
one project only 1 minute remove one.
你要快点
Which one you want?
，cancel 掉。
Remove one CPP file. I want one project only have 1 minute 1 minute only You don't put so many CPP there and then all got min and tak boleh lah. Exclude from project. Okay, so this one is just the example code is just for you to create this blank window, and then your job is to create your things here, draw your things here, your graphic here using code. Okay, see this window title, open your window. This one is this line lah. Okay, define window title constant, the string, open your window. So just now we didn't link the OpenGL32 library in a project property page. Okay, this line you can remove, you can delete. Okay, still the run. Okay, so now let's see the 4 functions there. 4 functions. You see so many errors. Now this function will run. For that one time.
那个
Okay, in the sample code
inlet pixel 哇
check the free setting on.
哦，他按那个加减。 决定出来的投票啊！
This thing. Okay, you type in. Okay. While this explaining the window code, you put. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4 functions here. Okay, we start with the first function, window procedure. For you guys don't have don't want so big. This one, don't want this one, can? This one. Can see us. Okay, your miss will just briefly explain the window code lah, because it's not in your syllabus. It won't be tested. So just explain to you the part that you're going to use. Okay, so what it do? Like window procedure. Okay, inside the window procedure function is just switch case statement. Switch case statement. So what you switch here is your window message. Okay, this one is your window message that pass in from your window. It's just like your event listener in your Java last time. Okay, you're listening to the message. Okay, from the window. Okay, so there are two cases here. Window message. Okay, WM is window message. Okay, destroy. Destroy means when you press the cross button at your window. So what you do is just quit the application. Okay, this is the function to quit the window. Okay, so the next case is key down. Next window message here is key down. Okay, and one key already here added when you press your window parameter, W parameter, window parameter. Okay, all the W here window. Okay, window parameter here is escape. Okay, you press escape also will quit the application. So key down, destroy, close. Then break. Okay, so if you want to know what other window message that have, okay, other these two, okay, you can always right click, go to definition, right click your window message, destroy, go to definition. Okay, you have other window message here, create, destroy, move, size, resize your window. Okay, normally we are not using this lah. You just need to close on it. Okay, destroy. That's all. Okay, and the rest of the window message. So all this window code is not in your syllabus. If you want to see or learn yourself, you can learn. Okay, ST students that learn before during their DirectX. So for them, I will skip this part. Okay, for you software engineering student, this is new for you. Okay, so this window message, normally we will just use key down. This is your interactive part, window input, key down, press your button. Okay, your keyboard key down. So other than key down, right click, go to definition, you have key up. Okay, if you want to the action to happen when you release your key, and then you use key up lah. Press means key down. Okay, release means key up. Okay, only these two you will use lah. The rest, okay, we are not using. Okay, system key or this. So what we will do here, this is the part that we will do. Okay, window parameter. So we will use all your keyboard key. We will use virtual keyboard. Okay, VK virtual key. Okay, virtual key. So the list of the virtual key is also appear in your MSDN library. Or you may also find here. So all these are constant. Okay, you right click your VK escape, go to definition. Okay, all your keyboard key are here. So this is your arrow key, left, right, up, down. Okay, your arrow key is here. So you may use the constant. You may also use the ASCII code lah. This is the ASCII code for the key. Or you can just directly use the character like this. 0, 9. Okay, 0 to 9. Okay, or you can use the ASCII code. Or you use the character like this, A, single quote character, okay, A to Z, okay, this is the ASCII code. Okay, and then this is your numpad. And numpad here, your F1, F10, okay, all the key lah. Okay, I want to use shift, key already used just now to create. So you can use like shift, control. Okay, all this got virtual key constant here. Okay, so for example, okay, if you want to have like else if when you press your arrow key, okay, window parameter equal to VF left. This one when you press your left arrow, then you can do something. Okay, move the object to the left. Okay, eventually, okay, we will expand this part lah. Okay, where we do vertical. Okay, so this was the part that you are going to use later. Okay, so just return the window positive message. Okay, this is the window positive function. Done. Okay, this one you want to do, no do, also never mind one. Okay, we just show sample. Okay, example. Okay, next function is initialization. Init pixel format. Initialize your windows, each of the pixels, so you describe the pixel, what format we are going to use. Okay, we use this pixel format descriptor, you create the object. Okay, PFD, pixel format descriptor. Okay, then you set lah. Inside here, you can set how many bit you want to use for alpha transparency. How many bit you want to use for color? 32 bit. Okay, RGB, A. Okay, your depth, bit, there's 24. Okay, stencil now we are not using yet, so you can use 0. Okay, so the rest are constant. Okay, your draw flat, you can use double buffer. So it will draw at the back, then you swap the buffer to in front, here to the final display. Okay, support OpenGL and draw to window. Okay, all these are constant. So this function you don't need to touch. Okay, it's initialization. Okay, layer, we only use one main layer. You don't do multi-layer. Okay, we start with one layer enough. Okay, pixel type here we use RGB8. Okay, red, green, blue, alpha. Okay, not CYM layer. We use RGB8. Okay, then you create the size. Okay, the size, the version. Okay, so choose the pixel format and return. Okay, create in your, this one is your window. So it better check lah if it's correct, set format successfully, then return true, else return false. Okay, this functions is just to initialize the pixel, so you don't need to touch. Okay, you don't need to do anything. Okay, the most important, your job is to do something here, display. Okay, last, so this one is the one that we will be working in to put our OpenGL code later. So everything inside your display, all the OpenGL code inside your display will be tested in your exam and written test. Okay, so all the window code no need. So if I ask you to write code, write OpenGL code enough, no need to write any window code. No need. Okay, so no need to memorize window code at all. Okay, OpenGL code must know. Okay. So last function here is your main function. Main because we do window application, so we call it as main. The last time your one is only main. INT, so return 0. Okay, return 0 lah. Okay, your main function here is to create the window. Okay, create the window. Okay, first by declare the window class. Okay, WC mean window class. This is the window class object. Okay, window class object. Okay, set the size. Okay, set the instance, object instance. So you only have one window. So the module handler here you set to null. Okay, set the window procedure to your window procedure function. Okay, your class name. Your window class name set to the window title that you define on top. Okay, define on top the string. So window class the style. Okay, so this one packet style. Okay, CS. Okay, H mean horizontal. V mean vertical. Okay, 2D lah. 2D window. Okay, horizontal and vertical window. Then if not successfully register the class, then return false. Okay, let's see this. This one you need to know. Okay. Okay, this is the create window function that will create the window just now. Okay, to know what are all these parameters, you can type the open braces here. Okay, when you type open braces, you can see so what are all these parameters in our create window function. Okay, so first one is the class name. Okay, window class name set to same with your window title that you define on top. The constant. Okay, window name also same. Okay, window title. Okay, then your draw style. Okay, draw style of your window. Now we are using window style WS, window style overlap window. Okay, what overlap window? Okay, overlap window you will have a caption, you have system menu, you have text frame, you have the minimize box and the maximize box. Okay, we have other window style also. If you right click, go to definition. Okay, this one is the overlap window lah. That's why its overlap is on top lah. Okay, on top to other window, and this is the style that you have here. So we also have pop-up window, child window. So we only use one window enough. Overlap window, unless you want to do pop-up or child for message. But this is not our focus on this course. So one window is enough. Okay, now go to the important part. This 4 value you need to adjust. Okay, what is this 4 value here of your output window? Okay, it represents the X, Y. Okay, the locations of the window, position of the window, and also the width and height. Okay, the resolution, how big. So for now, your resolution, your window width is 800. Okay, and your height is 600, and the location X, Y you use default. Okay, this is the use default lah. That's why when you run, you just prompt up default location and width is 800, 600. Okay, you only don't want it to be so big like this. Drop all the code every time I run, so I will make it small. Okay, change it to small. Okay, small size. 800. Okay, later you can adjust like it to big, too small. Okay, so I will just move X. This is X to the right side and slightly down Y. See here where it appears. Okay, 800 too much. This resolution very low. Only 600. You move some more. So you adjust lah where you want your output window be. Okay, every time I run it will be here. Okay, so this one is 730. So this is 10. So the size now I make it square, 300, width and height. Okay, you adjust where you want your output window later. So here. Okay, the last 4 value, no need to touch. Okay, what are that? So there are parent, child, menu. So you don't have open now. Okay. Instance, so only have one instance. So which is your window class? The one window only. So no parent, no child. Okay, whatever. So put now. Okay, you don't have parent window, child window, so all put now. So this no need to touch. This no need to touch. Okay, only these 4 values you need to touch. Okay, for your output window. Okay, only here lah. The rest also you no need to do. This one, initialize the window for OpenGL. So create the window. Okay, create the window. Okay, call the init pixel format. Okay, so make it in the OpenGL context. So if successfully, then if not successful, then return false. Okay, if successful, then just show window. Okay, show your window. Okay, so inside your main, okay, you see got one while loop, while. So while loop here. This is your looping. Okay, you have one loop. Okay, what we first do, this one is to keep on listening to the message. Okay, that from your window and then pass to your window positive. And the most important here is this one. Your display function is called inside the while loop. This is the while loop. Okay, display inside means your screen is, your window is keep on refreshing. Don't put very heavy code here. Don't put a lot of calculation here. Later your screen will freeze inside the loop. Okay, why inside here? To refresh your screen so that you can see the animation. You can see the movement. Okay. Display inside the while loop. So it's double buffer. So your things, your pixel will be drawn at the frame buffer at the back first. Your graphic card before is put to the front end. Your screen to display. So your display function is called inside a while loop. Okay, you don't so surprised that inside I put a value here, then it will keep on running. Yes, because it's inside the while loop. So it means it will keep on running and refreshing your screen. Okay, so register class. Okay, your window title here. Then return to this is your main function. We're done explaining the window code. Okay, any question? Any question? Feel good? So guys can run already? Any more cannot run. Because when start here you need to can run, then you can do something already. Let's start draw. Any question on the window code? Let's continue draw a bit then from it and have a short break. So for now, now you need to know everything. We will concentrate only on the OpenGL code. Okay, what is OpenGL code or OpenGL command? Okay, that you're going to put inside the display functions. Okay, all OpenGL command will start with the prefix GL in front. You see got GL in front. Okay, all this GL, all must know. All the OpenGL command got the GL in front. Okay, we will start simple. Okay, first thing to do, we go to a display function now. Okay, first thing to do is to clear the screen. Okay, clear the screen. Okay, perform the screen clear. So we call GL clear. Okay, so by default, okay, what is the color of the background just now? Black, black. So we have to perform the clear buffer commands. Okay, to ask our OpenGL to clear the color buffer. Okay, GL color buffer bit. Okay, this one to inform the system that the color should be dropped. Okay, this is important. If you didn't clear, the previous drop of that is still there. It's still there. You have to clear. So default background color is black. You saw just now. Okay, so this is the first line. Okay, please put inside your display function. Now, here. Okay, GL clear. You can copy from there. Then GL color buffer. Okay, this one is to clear. Okay, clear the color buffer. Okay, after you clear, then can start to draw. Okay, start to draw. Okay, you call begin your drawing GL begin. Okay, end your drawing GL end. Okay, this one is in a pair. You begin your drawing, you must end your drawing. If you begin your drawing, you never end it, then you never see anything. Okay, and inside here, okay, is the primitive that you're going to draw inside your GL begin. So we start by drawing a triangle. Okay, triangle. Okay, triangle got how many points?
3.
Okay, let's know the open gel window first. Okay, so this is your open gel window. So for open gel window, okay, your origin, okay, XY. Okay, your origin is in the middle. Okay, this is your 0, 0. Okay, and the width and height, okay, of your open gel window dimension is 2 times 2. 2 times 2 only, oh. Okay, 2.0 here. 2.0. Okay, your width and your height. So it means here your right edges and left edges is negative 1.0. Here is 1.0. Okay, your top here is 1.0. Your bottom here is negative 1.0. Okay, now we want to draw triangle. Okay, let's up the 3 points. Okay, let's say we draw a point 1, okay, point 2, half. Okay, point 3. Okay, I want to draw this triangle. Okay, come on, this 3 points. Okay, what are the coordinates? Okay, since you only have negative 1 to 1, so your coordinate will be in floating point. Okay, let's draw now. Okay, GL begin, GL triangle. Okay, in your drawing, GL begin. Okay, GL triangle. Okay, then first touch your enter. Okay, so how to put the 3 point in? Okay, we use all these point in graphic term, we call it as vertex. You learned yesterday, vertex. So we will use GL vertex. Okay, and you see 2x. Okay, 2x here means 2 floating point. Okay, passing x and y. Okay, so we will put the 3 points or 3 vertices in now using GL vertex 2x. Okay, in between here, start to draw. Okay, GL vertex 2x. Okay, your first point, point 1, negative 0.5. Okay, 0. Okay, this floating point, the F there means floating point. Okay, this is your point 1, point 2, point 3. Okay, can try to run, Okay, your means put P1 means point 1. Okay, so put the 3 point in and then run. Run, can see triangle.
哇，我电脑不行，应该直接秒。
Can see triangle.
有啊。好吧。还是这个吧。做一个萝卜出来。
Can see triangle.
Yes.
So now your first program is not hello world. Your first program is word right. So happy? Happy with the first triangle that you draw using code? Still good? Who cannot see triangle? Really? You see? Okay, cannot see triangle. If you use this to draw your robot like this, yes, your robot 500, right? No, the first tiger also can. Several can run like a carrot. Only 3 line of code. See, you cannot see like this one, 0.5 is here. 0.2 is wrong. You draw wrongly, you cannot see that. 0.2 wrong. You check your one. 0 and then 0.2 is 0 and 0.5. 5 is 0.5. Hey, you cannot see check your one. What you draw? What you draw? Put your point out. Now you cut. Ini apa? This one. Just now the window can run or not? Cannot, then only see your. Break 5 minutes. Okay, break 5 minutes. Have the. Just 3 lines of code. China also cannot see.
Hold on.